Yeah, hi, I'm John Parrington. I'm Managing Director of Comtec Australia. So Comtec supplies machinery to the manufacturing sector, primarily to medical and food packaging industries. We supply the machines and we also offer a service package for our customers. So we've been using ISS for about 3 years now. We made a change from the company that we were using. We were looking for a company that could give us more of a personal touch so that we weren't just a number, and that's what we found with ISS. ISS looks after our air freight and sea freight. So on any day, we'll be bringing containers in from Europe. We'll also be bringing air freight in as well, depending on what the requirements are for the customers. So we've got spare parts coming from Europe and from America, and we've got shipping containers coming in from Europe and from other parts of the world as well. So with ISS, they're always available to us. We pick up the phone and we speak to someone immediately. We get quotations from them for certain jobs. They will look after the freight from the moment it departs to the moment it arrives. They'll take care of all the clearance, fumigation, delivery to our factory. They'll deliver the containers to our customers' sites. We'll unload the containers and then they'll organise to pick up the containers. It's a seamless service that we receive from them. Yeah, it's extremely important. Yeah, we rely very heavily on having good freight services, especially in the last 2 years. With all the COVID effects that we've had, having a reliable shipping partner has been extremely important to us. Being able to pick up the phone and get honest answers. There's been delays with freight. Everyone's been affected, but certainly ISS have done their best to give us that personal service that we require.
Comtec is a business that really relies on hitting timelines and making sure that the freight gets to the customer. In some instances we deliver straight directly to the customer's site. So you can imagine, their product range varies from spare parts to, machinery as big as this whole office. So, where we require, coordination between ourselves and the customer and Comtec, with regards to crane movements and so on and so on. So, the business has a variety of products, but it can be very challenging based on some of their larger products. They're in the machinery sector. They supply all sorts of machines for all sorts of industries. So, another big part of what they do is spare parts and service, and it's a very diverse business, and timelines are very important, very important. Like John mentioned previously, we're a family-run business, so we try to offer the best possible service we can in regards to communication for the whole process, step by step, from the time the container's loaded or it gets onto a plane to the time it arrives here. What we can offer other companies, that we understand the business, we understand timelines, we understand that the importance of making sure that container meets deadlines at origin and at destination. We're a licensed customs agent, so we process the customs clearance ourselves. So there's a lot of processes that go involved, but the most important part is our service. The service is critical in this field, and I guess critical in international shipping in general.